that's enough watching for now. I'm gonna switch off the TV just to save electricity. Anyways, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go make some dinner. Hey, please welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day or sleepy night. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell for video. Let's get into the video. Guess I have to go to the grocery store. I'll ask Amelia if she wants to come with me, I guess. Dad, cat! You can't beat me. I promise you'll be washing the dishes for the whole week. Oh, come on. I'm gonna win. Yay! I'm not washing the dishes for the whole week. Guess you lose, Dad. Haha. Amelia, would you like to come with me for grocery shopping? The fridge, I need to restock it. Sure, why not? I love shopping. And we'll be back. We're just going to go and get some grocery to restock the fridge. Okay. Okay, Amelia, get in the car. Okay. Mom, can I sit in the front today? Yeah, sure. I have no idea. Should I use a basket or a trolley? I think we should get a trolley because we might get a lot of stuff, you know. Yeah, Amelia, you're right. Okay, so I'm going to get some olive oil. And I'll get some cooking oil too. And maybe I'll get some spaghetti. Just in case we make dinner. I'll get 2. And I'll get some rice. Just maybe if we're gonna make some like sushi. Okay, so I'm also gonna get some eggs. I'll get some potato. And I'll also get some green pepper. And I'll get some tomatoes. And maybe some cabbage. And maybe some cucumbers. I may please have 1 loaf of bread? Sure, coming right up. Here we get 1 loaf of bread. Thank you very much. I'm sorry, ma'am. May I please pause? Oh my gosh, what do you want? Hey, can't you learn to be patient? Learn to respect your elders. Are you crazy? Ugh, adults these days. Hey, you're blocking my way. I don't care. You learn to respect your elders and learn to be patient. Ugh, what is wrong with you? I bet your mother didn't even teach you well. Hey, don't talk about my mother like that. That's not nice. But you were still blocking the way. I don't care. Wow, she was rude. Anyways, next I'll get some meat also. And I'll also get this one too. Hi, may I please have a slice of raw honey? Okay, there you go. Okay, thanks. Okay, I'll get some butter. And I'll also get a cup of strawberry yogurt. I'll get a bottle of strawberry juice and a bottle of blueberry juice. Okay, let's get to the counter to pay now. Hi, I'm here to pay for these items, please. Okay, sure. I'll scan them right away. Okay, that will be $29 because you got a discount and you have a lot of points on the app. Wow, $29 is cheap. Thank you so much. Let me scan my credit card. Thank you so much for your service. Okay, I'll put the plastic bag in the boot and my credit card. Okay, let me put this down now. Okay, I'm just gonna restock all the groceries into the fridge now.
Wow.
Okay, it is. I'm finally done restocking the fridge. It took so long to finish, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to see more videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.